This is a song for that busker who's drumming in the rain. He's singing on the corner down at First and Main. Maybe 7 people listen, maybe 3 or 4 will clap, maybe 1 will drop $1 in his hat. He's found a stretch of sidewalk where he can put on his show. He's singing loud, hopes to draw a crowd, but people just come and go. He knows a little rock and roll, he knows folk, country too, and if you ask him nice, he might play one just for you. It's the same song around the world, only the singers change. It's the ancient art of a troubadour, of buskers without names. He used to have a dog, but sadly he passed on. When he played the blues, that dog would howl. His name was Dawn. His voice has dropped an octave since he first went on the road, but he keeps on singing 'cause that's the busker's code. It's the same song around the world, only the singers change. The ancient art of a troubadour, of buskers without names. Well, a woman listens hard, nods her head and closes her eyes. His song has touched her heart, it reached her deep inside. And if that woman walks up and tosses in a bill or two, he'll say, "Thank you, ma'am, I just do what I can, help us all make it through." It's the same song around the world, only the singers change. The ancient art of the troubadour, of buskers without names.